Okay, where are we? We're at Luxor. Third floor. 3324. At Luxor. 3324. Uh-huh. 3324. East Tower. 1820. Not bad. Two. Keep going. 24. 3324. East Tower. Luxor. Hello. Bathroom. Right off the bat. Ooh. Hello. Yes. One bathroom. It's nice. Pretty nice. I don't know about that. Brass? Who does brass anymore? Nice. Definitely got the Egyptian kind of theme. I like the separate showers, separate tub. Brass. Weird. But it's nice. And it's clean. I like it. It's big. Yeah, this'll do. This is not Dewder. But it is comped. Fully comped. No resort fees. Not gold. But they give you Luxor and I think Excalibur. No resort fees. Well, that was my offer anyway. Manual blinds. What's up with manual blinds these days? And this spectacular view, I'm sure, on the third floor. Cool. This is the latest I have ever arrived in Vegas. It is, I don't know what time it is, but my plane landed after 11 p.m. It's nice. Full seating area. 2 queens is fine, as long as they're comfy. Should I do the PJ bed test? Big wardrobe. No safe. Kind of outdated TV. Aha. Safe. Pretty simple, pretty basic. Not Dewder. And in 3, 2, 1. I don't know. PJ does it. Sure. All right, give you a quick peek at the room. Staying at Luxor. Used to staying at Dewder. But I'm here at Luxor, fully comped, Pearl member, does not pay resort fees. Pretty cool. Don't know if everybody gets that deal, but if you want that deal, I got all nights comped, no resort fees, no gold member. Not a bad view. Looks good at night. Got a little seating area. Looks like a Dewder hat. 2 queens. Not bad. TV's there. Big wardrobe's there. The safe is there. Dead soldier from 4 a.m. last night. Big stand-up mirror. Bathroom here. Pretty average. Not bad for Luxor. Fully comped. I don't mind. Looks good. You can get the full room tour on my channel. A full room tour of Luxor East Tower.